Why does Japan have one of the lowest obesity rates in the world? In Tokyo, millions walk the streets, yet few are overweight. Meanwhile, in America, we struggle with weight despite diets and gyms. Japan's obesity rate is under 5%, in the US it's closer to 40%. Yet Japanese food is vibrant and celebrated, not bland or restrictive. Their secret isn't tasteless meals, it's something deeper. I wondered, could I eat like a Japanese person for 30 days? The journey started in my own kitchen. I learned it's about balance, variety, and moderation. This shift made the challenge feel like an adventure, not a diet. My kitchen became my laboratory. I was excited, a little nervous, but ready to solve the mystery. I was about to begin a 30-day experiment, right at home. Welcome to my Japanese kitchen experiment. Let's dive in. Before we get into the details, let's clear up some myths. First, it's not just about walking everywhere. Yes, Japanese people walk more, but cities like New York walk a lot too, and still struggle with obesity. Walking helps, but it's not the whole story. Second, it's not genetics. When Japanese people move to America and eat a Western diet, their health changes. It's not DNA, it's daily habits and environment. That's good news, we can change our environment. Third, there's no magic superfood. It's not just about eating more matcha or seaweed. The Japanese diet is about a pattern: fish, rice, vegetables, and fermented foods in balance. Focusing on one ingredient misses the point. Finally, calorie counting isn't the answer. Most Japanese people don't count calories or weigh their food. They focus on quality, balance, and portion size, naturally. Their system makes healthy eating intuitive, not stressful. It's not about numbers, it's about habits. The real secret is a system that makes the healthy choice the easy choice. That's what I set out to learn. No magic, no myths, just a different way of living. If you want to change your health, you don't need a miracle. You need a new approach. That's what this experiment is all about. Let's break down the system. Here's what I discovered. It starts at home. The real secret? Your environment. Willpower fades, but your surroundings shape your choices. If junk food is in your kitchen, you'll eat it, especially when tired or stressed. But if healthy options are front and center, you'll reach for those instead. The Japanese have mastered this. Their kitchens make healthy eating easy. I realized I needed to stop relying on willpower and start designing my environment. My kitchen became my castle. I controlled what came in. This wasn't about fighting cravings, it was about making good choices automatic. I focused on 5 key changes inspired by Japanese habits. 1. Kitchen reset. Clear out the junk. 1. Savory breakfast for steady energy. 1. Bento box lunches for portion control. 1. Only water and green tea, no sugary drinks. 1. Stop eating at 80% full. Harahachi-bu. These pillars work together to make healthy living feel natural. Over the next scenes, I'll show you how I put each one into practice. You don't need fancy tools or chef skills, just a willingness to try. The goal: build a system that supports you, not sabotages you. It all starts with taking control of your kitchen. Ready for the first step? Let's reset the fridge. The kitchen reset was my first big move. I opened my pantry and fridge, full of processed snacks, sugary cereals, and frozen pizzas. I knew if it stayed, I'd eat it. So I packed up the junk and donated it. Suddenly my kitchen felt lighter. Next, I restocked with whole foods: fish, chicken, tofu, eggs, and a rainbow of vegetables. Staples like rice, miso, soy sauce, and dashi filled my shelves. I prepped veggies and put them in clear containers at eye level. Hard-boiled eggs and fresh fruit replaced chips and cookies. Now, when I opened the fridge, healthy options were the first thing I saw. This simple organization made good choices effortless. The reset took 2 hours, but it changed everything. No more temptation. My kitchen became a calm, inviting space. Cooking felt easier. I was in control, not my cravings. This was the foundation for my 30-day journey. Without this step, I wouldn't have made it. The right environment made all the difference. If you want to change your habits, start with your kitchen. Clear out the junk, stock up on real food, and make healthy choices visible. It's the best investment you can make. The next change was breakfast. I grew up on sweet breakfasts: cereal, muffins, sugary yogurt. They tasted good but left me hungry and crashing by mid-morning. The Japanese breakfast is savory and balanced: miso soup, rice, a little fish, and pickled veggies. Portions are small, but you get protein, carbs, and vegetables. I tried it: miso soup, rice, and an omelet. The result: no hunger until lunch, no energy crash. I didn't always eat fish, but I stuck to the principle: savory, high protein, no sugar. Sometimes it was miso soup and a boiled egg or rice with leftover chicken and veggies. The key was ditching sugar in the morning. My energy was steady, my mind clearer. I stopped craving snacks before lunch. After a week I didn't miss my old breakfasts. The savory start broke the cycle of cravings and slumps. It was a game changer. If you want more energy, try a savory breakfast. You'll feel the difference. Lunch used to be my downfall, either unhealthy takeout or a sad sandwich. The Japanese bento box changed everything. It's a lunchbox with compartments, forcing variety and portion control. I bought a simple bento and filled each section with something different: rice, protein, and colorful veggies. Packing leftovers from dinner made it easy. Meal prep took 2 extra minutes at night. In the morning, lunch was ready. No decisions, no stress. The bento made my meals balanced and visually appealing. I ate less but felt more satisfied. It saved time, money, and calories. The box itself became my system for healthy eating. After a few weeks, packing my bento was automatic. It was a small change with a big impact. If you want to eat better at work or school, try a bento box. It makes portion control and variety effortless. Lunch became something I looked forward to. No more sad sandwiches, just a healthy, delicious midday meal. The fourth change was simple but powerful: only water and unsweetened green tea. Before, I drank sugary lattes, sodas and juices, hidden calories that added up fast. For 30 days I cut them all out. At first I missed my sweet drinks, but I bought a good water bottle and quality green tea. I started my day with tea, drank water all day and had tea again in the afternoon. After a few days, cravings disappeared. I felt lighter, more hydrated, and even my skin looked better. I saved money and cut hundreds of calories without effort. This one change made a huge difference in my energy and cravings. What you drink matters as much as what you eat. Liquid sugar sneaks into your diet and sabotages your progress. By switching to water and tea, I made healthy living easier. No cooking required, just a new habit. If you want a quick win, start here. Replace sugary drinks with water and tea. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel. It's the simplest change with the biggest payoff. Try it for a week, you won't want to go back. Your body will thank you. Sometimes less really is more. Cheers to that. The final pillar was mental hara-hachi bu. Eat until you're 80% full. I grew up finishing everything on my plate, feeling stuffed. This new rule asked me to stop before I was full. I had to slow down, eat mindfully, and listen to my body. I sat at the table, put my fork down between bites, and savored each mouthful. It takes time for your brain to register fullness. By eating slowly, I noticed when I was satisfied, not stuffed. At first, it was tricky to find that 80% mark. Sometimes I stopped too soon, sometimes too late. But with practice, I learned to recognize the feeling of just enough. I felt energized after meals, not sluggish. I naturally ate less without feeling deprived. This habit, combined with the bento box, was powerful. Satisfaction comes from nourishing your body, not overeating. It's a skill worth learning. After 30 days, the results were shocking. My belly fat shrank, my pants fit better, and I lost 12 pounds without ever feeling hungry. The weight loss felt like a side effect of living better, not dieting, but the real changes were deeper. My energy soared. No more afternoon slumps. I woke up refreshed and stayed focused all day. My cravings for sugar and junk food vanished. I didn't need willpower. My body was satisfied. Cooking became a creative, calming part of my day. Packing my bento was automatic. Choosing water over soda was effortless. The system became second nature. The first week took effort. By week 3, it was just how I lived. The healthy choice truly became the easy choice. I felt optimistic and in control of my health. The biggest lesson: anyone can do this. You don't need to move to Japan. Just adopt their principles. Start with one small change. Pack a bento, reset your kitchen, or try a savory breakfast. You don't have to do everything at once. Just start. This isn't a quick fix. It's a sustainable, enjoyable way of life. Build a system that makes you feel good, inside and out. Here's your weekend checklist. Saturday, clear out your pantry and fridge. Donate the junk. Saturday, grocery shop for whole foods, fish, chicken, eggs, tofu, veggies, rice, miso. Sunday, prep for the week. Chop veggies, boil eggs, cook rice. Sunday night, cook a simple, healthy dinner. Pack your first bento for Monday. Tonight, try one thing. Make miso soup or drink water instead of soda. Your journey starts with a single step. You've got this. The Japanese way isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Small changes add up. Build your system and let it work for you. Healthy living can be simple, delicious, and joyful. I did it, and so can you. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Your adventure starts now. Let's make healthy living the easy choice.